So my name is Maria Sand and I work at Cicero. The overall aim for HYway is to get a better knowledge of the climate benefits of a hydrogen economy. So it's in good progress on measuring hydrogen emissions, also measuring the soil sink and modeling the climate impacts, creating scenarios and emission inventories.
Hi, so we've come out to Auchencorth Moss, about 10 miles south of Edinburgh. This is a serious measurement site for lots of trace gases and trace gas fluxes, and I guess in particular of interest for HYway, we're measuring hydrogen deposition fluxes here using chamber techniques and also gradient towers, so that we can measure how much the soil uptake fluxes are under various different conditions. There's a whole lot of other measurements going on here as well, so it's a really good site for comparing different gases.
In this project we are already measuring the soil sink in different places, different ecosystems, using either chamber measurements or also gradient measurements when we measure directly the hydrogen in the atmosphere at different heights. And with these measurements, we're going to get the soil deposition velocity, which can help our colleague in the same work package that does the soil sink modeling. He can either use the data for comparing the results from his model or improve the models.
Hello, I'm Keith Shine from the Department of Meteorology at the University of Reading in the UK. And my role in HYway is to really understand and be sure that moving over to a hydrogen economy is going to be beneficial to climate change.
My name's Hannah. We're at the Edinburgh Climate Change Institute. I'm a postdoc at the University of Edinburgh working on HYway. My project is looking at running the UK model, UK ESM, as part of the model into comparison to look at the global warming effects of hydrogen. It's really important that we understand what hydrogen does to the atmosphere before we go into a full-scale hydrogen economy and we release it. Releasing things that we don't understand is scary business, so we're just trying to quantify as best we can what it might do to the atmosphere before companies invest and we move into a global hydrogen economy.